After quickly stripping the paint on this vehicle using 24 grit fiber resin discs, we finished it up with 80 grit on a DA. It's nice and smooth, ready for some primer. I did get some comments how this would leave scratches and they would show up in the final paint job, but that's not true if you come back with 80 grit. For this video, I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how long it would take to DA sand all this paint off with, say, 120 or 80 grit. We'll try an aggressive DA and a not so aggressive DA with 80 grit, and then we'll try 120 grit. What we have to remove here are 3 paint jobs, 2 black paint jobs, and the original blue. And we'll be trying the non-aggressive with 80. And that's good, sharp MIRKA 80 grit. Here's a close-up of that, and it's actually 4 paint jobs. The original blue, another blue, 1 black, and another black. As you can see, this is super thick paint. It would take absolutely forever to DA sand that paint off with 80 grit. Next, we'll try the more aggressive DA with a fresh sheet of 80 grit. At this point, that paper is already toast, and we only have this much done. I was going to demonstrate with the 120 grit, but I think you got a pretty good idea of what's going to happen. To see the difference, we'll do this side with a 24 grit fiber resin disc and finish up with 80 grit on a DA. After priming this and finish sanding it, you'll have no problems with sand scratches showing up in your paint. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on the difference between stripping paint with a 24 grit fiber resin disc and 80 grit on the DA or even 120 grit. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.